What is behaviorism? Have you ever wondered how our actions are shaped by our surroundings? This question leads us to the fascinating world of behaviorism, a learning theory that focuses on observable actions and the external factors influencing them. Behaviorism suggests that our behaviors are primarily shaped by the environment rather than by internal thoughts or feelings. This theory is built on the idea that all behaviors are learned through interactions with our surroundings, especially through conditioning processes. One of the basic concepts of behaviorism is the stimulus-response association. This means that there is a clear relationship between external factors, known as stimuli, and our responses, which are our behaviors. Understanding this relationship is key to grasping how behaviors are learned and modified over time. There are two main types of conditioning in behaviorism: classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning involves pairing a neutral stimulus with an unconditioned stimulus to create a response. For example, if a bell rings every time food is presented to a dog, the dog will eventually salivate at the sound of the bell alone. On the other hand, operant conditioning uses rewards or punishments to either reinforce or discourage behaviors. For instance, if a student receives praise for completing homework, they are more likely to continue doing it in the future. Reinforcement plays a central role in operant conditioning. Positive reinforcement involves adding something pleasant to increase a behavior, while negative reinforcement involves removing something unpleasant to encourage a behavior. Both techniques can be very effective in educational settings. Behaviorism can be divided into two types: methodological behaviorism and radical behaviorism. Methodological behaviorism focuses only on observable behaviors and uses scientific methods to study them. It does not consider internal mental processes. Radical behaviorism, while still focusing on observable behavior, acknowledges the indirect influence of internal processes by looking at how the environment affects behavior. For teachers, applying behaviorism can lead to positive changes in student behavior. One practical strategy is to use reinforcement techniques. Positive reinforcement, like giving praise or rewards, can encourage desired behaviors. Negative reinforcement, such as removing an unpleasant task when a student exhibits a good behavior, can also be effective. Creating a conducive classroom environment is another way to apply behaviorist principles. Arranging seating to promote collaboration or using visual aids can help maintain student focus. Setting clear and measurable behavioral objectives is also important. This allows teachers to assess student progress and adjust their teaching methods accordingly. By understanding and applying the principles of behaviorism, teachers can create structured learning environments that encourage positive behaviors and support effective learning. This approach not only helps in managing classroom behavior but also enhances the overall educational experience for students.